This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Sony WH-1000XM4 wireless headphones. This is a successor to the XM3s, which were released in 2018. As you can see, it has support for high-res audio, wireless, has 30 hours of battery life, Bluetooth, voice control support, 360 reality audio, noise cancelling, all that good stuff. It has quick charge support, so in 10 minutes of charging gets you up to 5 hours of battery life over USB-C. Voice and function I talked about. So yeah, let's dig inside the box. So here's some just setup instructions. Here's the charging case, or the case with the headphones inside. As you can see, there's a kind of copper key color that's the same as kind of the accent of the headphones. Nice kind of fabric material, little pocket here, mesh pocket. Yeah, and then here's the headphones itself. So this side is touchpad and whatnot, so you can do volume up, skip, double tap for play and pause, that type of stuff. This side there's an NFC thing, so you just tap your phone here and then it'll automatically pair it. The ear cushions are really soft, and as you can see in here, that's the new kind of sensor where basically it's auto play and pause when you take off the headphones, which is really nice. And then the headphones can fold up like this, so nice and compact. There's your custom button, so you can have it to either change the noise cancelling, voice assistant, that type of stuff. Power button, headphone jack, USB-C port, Sony logo there, that type of stuff. The outside of the headphones has kind of like soft touch finish, reminiscent of one of Jabra's earbuds cases type of thing. It's a nice finish that will feel nice. So yeah, put those off to the side. Here you have a auxiliary cable, so if you want to do wired listening. Here's an airplane adapter, so you just go like this. That's about it. And then USB-C to Type A cable, which is very short in length. Yeah, so you can use your own if you want to. So yeah, and then just take this out and whatnot, and then you're ready to go. So that's been a quick unboxing of the Sony WH-1000XM4 noise cancelling headphones. They'll be available later this month for around 500 Canadian or $349 or $399 US. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the new Sony headphones.